Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn off standby mode on your iPhone, and basically the standby mode can turn your phone into a bedside clock, live photo frame, or a widget of your choice when your phone is charging. So if you don't want this feature to be enabled on your phone, we will go I'm going to show you just in a second how to do this, but please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video if this helped you, and leave a comment down below if you want to. And yeah, so let's get to the tutorial. All you have to do to turn off standby mode is go to your settings, scroll down until you see standby, and then toggle this button off. And the standby mode is now turned off on your iPhone. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.